Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after CPI, we saw crazy volatility in the market yesterday. Sorry, I could not upload a video yesterday, but the levels I mentioned on the group, they work perfectly. Okay. So after CPI, we saw that market gave a mixed response, okay, because the expectation was 6.2, previous was 6.5, and the data came out to be 6.4%. So at first we saw DXY flying for a couple of seconds, then we saw a sudden big drop, and ultimately DXY settled in the middle of the chart, and ultimately DXY right now trading at 103.40. This is the current market price. So the levels on DXY are still very much intact. On the videos of Euro USD, GBP USD, I clearly mentioned that the resistance of 104 and 102.502, 102.50, 102.60 may not work due to extreme volatility, but surprisingly the levels work. I was thinking that these levels would only work before CPI. Due to extreme volatility, these levels may fail, but we saw these levels working perfectly. So my dear friends, overall the market is still inside the range. In case DXY shows a big fall during this week, then the ultimate support on DXY will be around 1002 to 100.83, and on the other hand we have 105.55 at the top. So this is the ultimate resistance on DXY, and ultimate support on DXY is 100.83, but right now it is trading inside the range only. You don't need to observe DXY candle by candle. Just knowing the critical levels on the chart will help you a lot. And today we have retail sales report coming up, so market may show volatility again, not like NFP or CPI, but yes, you need to be careful during the news time. Beginners, new traders and traders with low capital try to avoid any US dollar position during the news. Observe DXY and trade accordingly after a couple of hours, not at the time of news. Okay. You can see a dollar finds friends after sticky US inflation readout. Dollar found some support on Wednesday after stubbornly high US inflation suggests that interest rates are going to remain high for longer than investors had expected. Now let's talk about the GBP USD. Okay. So yesterday we saw market reversing from 1.2265. This was the level from where market reversed, and the support levels that I have been talking for the last couple of days are still very much intact. My dear friends, the strongest support on the chart of GBP USD is still around 1.1850 to 1.1840. This is the strongest support on the chart of GBP USD, but the strongest support is also very far away. But we also saw market respecting beautifully the second support that we have been discussing was 1.1966 to 1.1944. This was the second support, and this support level is still very much valid. Okay, but again the same problem. This level is also far away. See, the static supports are always stronger in comparison to the dynamic support and resistances. But the problem with the static support and resistances is that they are far away from each other, not far away from the current market price. So as a result, the number of trading opportunities that we find on static support and resistances are less. That's why we are bound to use dynamic support and resistances. So apart from these two support resistances, the next support and resistance for day traders are 1.2034 to 1.2030. This is a support for day traders because this was the level market has shown good price rejection, as well as this is also the Fibonacci 0.786. 0.786 is not a very common Fibonacci level, but yes, whenever market is in dire need of some support, this level does the job. And apart from that, we also have some strong level around this area. Secondly, if we look at the present trend of the market, then we can see that market is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, market is forming higher highs and higher lows in the market. To be honest, I am not a big fan of trend lines. Okay, I'm not a big fan of trend lines because trend lines have betrayed me a lot in the past. But here I have drawn a trend line and I can see that around 1.2080, I have trend line as a dynamic support. Okay, that I don't like much. Okay, but we also have Fibonacci 0.618. Fibonacci 0.618 is a very strong support in case of GBP USD. Yesterday when market dropped, you could see that it was Fibonacci 0.50 that provided support to the market. If you have watched my previous videos on GBP USD, probably you have heard me saying a lot of times that Fibonacci 0.50 and Fibonacci 0.618 plays a big role on the chart of GBP USD always. Okay, and so as a result, I am very much hopeful that if market comes to 0.2080 level around this area, there's a high chance that market will get the support. If market takes support, if you see market taking support, if you see market forming a hammer pattern, you can definitely go for a buy position. Any good price rejection from below, market forming a bullish engulfing pattern will give us the confirmation that yes, the support level of 0.618 is valid and you can definitely go for a buy position. And my dear friends, before I proceed further, I would like to mention that this is a pro trader program. Okay, if you really want to take up your trading as a serious source of income, if you really want to elevate your trading, then you can consider joining the pro trader program. The three main pillars of pro trader program, okay, are the market analysis, updates, reports, sessions. Apart from that, I also conduct a workshop. I have already conducted the workshop of this month, but you will get free access to the workshop that I'll be conducting next month. You can also see 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. If you like my work, then you can seriously consider joining the Pro Trader program if you really want to elevate your trading. Okay, if you really think that I can bring some positive changes in your trading journey, then feel free to check out the link in the description. Now let's get back to GBP USD. Okay, so on the chart of GBP USD, we have four strong supports. Okay, four supports, not strong, four supports. First one, 1.1850 to 1.1840. That is very far away, but very strong, the strongest support. Then we have 1.1944 to 1.1966. This level has already done the job, but it is also far away right now. So these two support levels are not important for us, for day traders mostly. So the two support levels that are important for us right now are 1.203034 around this level, and secondly 1.2080. This one because of 1.2030 because of previous price rejection around this area, as well as Fibonacci 0.786, and 1.2080 because of Fibonacci 61.8% or 0.61618, as well as the trend line. So if market starts falling, we can definitely observe the market around this area and we can really hope that market would bounce. If market bounces, go for a buy position. But in case market shows extreme selling due to news and all, keep in mind no level is permanent in the market. So please use your common sense and do not take a buy position. Okay, if market bounces, then only go for a buy. On the other hand, the high made by the market yesterday is still very much valid. That is 1.2265 level. The high made by the market is still very much valid. If market goes up, if market shows a good amount of upside during the day, observe the market around this area. Okay, looking at the price rejection yesterday, there's a high chance that market will face some selling pressure around this area again. If you see price rejection from above, if you see market forming a shooting star pattern, if you see market forming a bearish engulfing pattern, or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, the resistance is still valid and you can go for a sell position. Okay, so these are the levels for GBP USD that I think is are important for the market right now. Okay, if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye. Take care. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Keep in mind your capital protection should be your first priority. Okay, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye. Take care.